Welcome to the next video in the organic gold sample funnel. Last video, I found the getting started URL and the order product URL. I also created sales page number 2. So in this video, I'm going to create sales page number 1. I'm going to connect sales page number 1 and 2 together, and then I'm going to create a couple of email templates. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the web pages section, hover over websites, and then click on web pages. And what I'm going to do is make a copy of this one right here, sales page number 2, organo. So I'm just going to click copy. I'm going to rename this new page sales page number 1, organo. And I'm going to leave the title tag the same. I'm going to scroll down, click save. For the background pick, I'm going to use this gray one here. And the first thing I'm going to do is, I don't like this tan in relation to the gray. And there's a link below this video that shows you what I'm about to do. And it only works for this special template. And what I'm going to do is jump over to the HTML color creator page. And I'm going to find a gray. I found this earlier, but if I was to start right where this normally would, I just scroll down here just like that, and it's easy to find a gray color. You're going to pretty much find it wherever this one sits. There's always going to be a little gray in there, so just find the gray color that you want, if that's the color you're looking for. And this is pretty easy to remember, 114, 113, and 113. But I'm just going to click on source, and I'm going to do a search for RGB, and I'm going to type in those numbers really quick right here where they go, and the last number being 113. And I'm going to leave 0.8 as it is. That's a good transparency amount for this template. I'm going to click on source. All right, that looks like it's going to be pretty good. Now what I want to do is I want to change this border color around the video to a black. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to right click right up here like that. I'm going to click on table properties, advanced. Again, there's a video for all this. And I'm going to make a copy. And I'm just going to paste that right there. And then I'm going to go back to the picture gallery, click on the picture icon, click on browse server, click on custom library, and I'm going to find this black outline right there. That's the one I want. And I'm going to copy the URL code right here. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste that right here. Now I'm moving really fast because I've already got a video that explains all this. So I'm going to copy this entire code right here, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to right click again, click on table properties, advanced, and I'm going to paste that right there, click OK, and now I've got a black border. The next thing I want to do is I just want one continue button along the bottom, so I'm going to delete all these buttons. I'm going to go back to the picture gallery, custom library, and the button I want is right here. It just says click here to continue. Click OK. Now I need to code this button. So what I'm going to do is click on variables to your web page, and this section right here, link to a web page. Any web page you ever create will be in this section, along with all the other pages in PLS. And I'm looking for the page called sales page 2, number 2, organo. There it is, and I'm going to click create. And this section here called good for buttons, it's this top one right here that starts with a /. Copy that, come back. I'm going to click on the link icon, and I'm going to paste that right there. Make sure the protocol is other, and I'm going to leave the target as is because I don't want this jumping to a new window. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text to, I'm going to change it to white, and then I'm also going to change what it says. So I'm just going to highlight this, click right here, and then make that white. Okay, I think we're going to be done with this page. Let's save the changes and see how that looks. Make sure it works right.
You guys.
Oh, I forgot to swap the video. Okay, so earlier what I did is I went and found all the videos that I'm going to be using for this funnel, and I've saved all those codes. So I'm going to go grab that code now and come back to the source and swap that video. Okay, I just grabbed it. I'm going to click on source. I'm going to do a search for YouTube, and then I'm going to paste that right there. Okay, now we should be done. Click on view, check this out. Okay, that looks really good. I'm going to click here to continue, make sure that works good. All right, I'm satisfied with that. That looks great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple of autoresponder templates. So I'm going to click on web pages, and the page I'm going to copy for my autoresponder template is sales page number 2, organo. Now remember, this page is already coded. All the buttons are already coded. Why not just use that as an autoresponder template? In other words, when a prospect clicks on a link in their autoresponder campaign, I'm going to bring them back to company videos. And what better template to bring them back to is the one that gives them all the options. So I'm going to label this autoresponder template number 1, organo. You want to label these really, really good. Leave the title tag the same. I'm going to click Save Changes. And you know what? I'm going to be good with that, except for I got to change the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab that YouTube code that I did my research on earlier. Okay, I've got that now. I'm going to click on Source, do a search for YouTube, and paste that right here. And that's it. I now have a completely done autoresponder campaign template. So when I create my campaign, I'm going to create a link from the autoresponder message email that goes directly to this page. It's going to have the Contact Me button on there, Order Sample button, and the Get Started button. And I did all that in just a few quick moments. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the second template. So what I'm going to do is go to web pages, and I can just copy this autoresponder right here, the one I just made. So I'll just click copy, and I'm going to call this autoresponder template number 2. I don't need the date there. I'm going to leave the title tag the same. I'm going to click save, edit text, click on source, because now I'm going to go swap to another video. So again, I'm going to do a search for YouTube. I've already went and grabbed the template number 2 YouTube code. I'm just going to paste that right there. And I'm going to scroll down and click save. And that is it. I have just created autoresponder template number 2. So now let's take a look here. I've created sales page number 1, and I've connected 1 and 2 together, and I've created email templates 1 and 2. So as you can see, as you progress here and you start creating some stuff, things can move very quickly. Now that's it for this video. So tune in to the next video where we're going to continue on creating this organo sample funnel.